Hello everyone. কেনে আছা তোমালোক? লকডাউন এনজয় কৰি আছা চাগে? Let us back to our class. মই তোমালোকৰ কাৰণে অকণমান লেচন প্ৰিপেয়াৰ কৰিছোঁ. In our sixth paper, there was topic regarding Northeast India's economy. গতিকে সেইটোৰ ওপৰত দুখনমান শ্লাইড মই প্ৰিপেয়াৰ কৰিছোঁ. টেবুল কেইখনমান দেখুৱাম আৰু মই আশা কৰিম তোমালোকে চাগে তাৰ ওপৰত ভিত্তি কৰি পেলাই কুৱেশ্যন আনচাৰ কৰিবলৈ সক্ষম হ'বা. Let us take the state domestic product and its growth along with the growth of per capita income of states of the northeastern region. You all know there are 8 states in the northeastern region: Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Sikkim, Tripura. And perhaps you know Sikkim was not the part of northeastern region earlier, but now it is a part, and so we have along with Sikkim, we have 8 states in the northeastern region. So what is the growth rate of these states? State domestic product তোমালোকে জানা, income of the state. So in this table there are state domestic product for 2 periods, 2005-6 and 2015-16. Column 3 তোমালোকে দেখিবলৈ পাইছা income, state domestic income, and it is expressed in terms of rupees in crores. Same in column number 5. This one is, the first one is for 2005 and 6, and after 10 years what is the changing scenario in case of state domestic product in all the northeastern states. And the last row, it shows income for India as a whole, that is the average income of our country. So with this table you will be able to compare the growth rate of all the northeastern states and growth rate of one state with the national average. So প্ৰথমটো চোৱা 2005-6 Arunachal Pradesh আৰু Indiaৰ growth rate চোৱা. As national growth rate was 14.2% for national income, and for state income Arunachal Pradesh it was only 7.9. So if you go through the line you will be able to find out, except Sikkim, others are getting less growth rate than the national average. Sikkim got 14.7%. So in this table, in this row, Sikkim is the highest attainer of growth rate. It is the percentage change over the previous year. So as a whole, if you go through this column, state domestic income of Assam is highest in compared to other states. This is the total national income for India. Come to this column 2015-16. ইয়াত দেখিবা national average was 10.2, but in case of Assam it is 15.9%. So Assam is the achiever in this line. Compared to 10 years back, growth rate of Assam is good enough and it is more than the national average. But Manipur and Nagaland, they are showing worst, which are less than the national average at 6.8 and 7.8 respectively. In these cases also, state income of Assam is highest, and we all know Assam is the biggest state of all the northeastern states, so it's obvious that its income will be more. Let us come to the next table, PCI, per capita income of states. Again, I have collected data for two different periods, 2005-06 and 2015-16, and here also it shows national average is 12.4%, and Tripura's per capita income growth rate at per capita income was higher than the national average, that is 17.2. Sikkim also at slightly higher than the national average, 13.3, but in all other states they are showing less than the national average. This is per capita income and it is expressed in terms of rupees. If you go through, you will be able to see the per capita income, and here it shows Nagaland. It is the 30,441 per capita income. So Nagaland is the highest, which is highest than the national per capita income, which is 24,143. All these are in current prices. In 2015-16, we have seen the growth rate of per capita income as India as a national, as a whole, average growth rate was 8.9%, but in case of Assam, it is 14.4%. It's good enough, and in case of Arunachal Pradesh and Mizoram, both are at highest position than the national average, but again Manipur and Nagaland, their achievement was less than the national average. But if you go through this portion, you will be able to see that Assam's per capita income is much lower than Arunachal Pradesh or say Mizoram or Sikkim. Sikkim, it has the 2,33,954. Arunachal 1,22,466. Mizoram 1,14,524. All these three states, they have higher per capita income than the national average. Overall observation and conclusion, during 2005-06, growth rates of all states, including Sikkim, found to be less than the national average. Among all, Arunachal Pradesh shows the lowest growth rate over the previous year. Assam has the highest state domestic product. However, in case of per capita income, Nagaland has the highest among all. Growth rate of per capita income shows less in all states except Sikkim and Tripura than the national average. Like state domestic product, Arunachal Pradesh shows the lowest growth rate figure in per capita income too. During 15-16, Assam shows highest growth rate among all the northeastern states, followed by Mizoram. Except Manipur and Nagaland, all northeastern states attained higher growth rate than the national average. Per capita income of Sikkim was the highest for that period. However, growth rate was highest for Assam. Growth rates at Manipur and Nagaland were less than the national average. Data for Tripura was not available here, but in earlier year, that is in 2014-15, Tripura's achievement was more than the national average, as I have seen in the data. But for some reason, the data were not prepared. I have picked up the data from economic survey that is published by the government of India. তোমালোকে এইখিনি ঘৰত ভালকে চাবা, চাই পেলাই আনসাৰ কৰিবলৈ নিশ্চয় সক্ষম হ'বা, and you can find out your own observation and conclusion from these two tables. Next class, I'll discuss about the human development of northeastern states.